Hi and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your voiceover in Audacity. So this is basically where you're going to take all the little parts where you maybe made a mistake, or any spaces at the beginning or the end or between scenes or anything like that that you just want to edit and maybe just make the voiceover a little better and change it a bit. So I've got my project open here in Audacity. So if you want to set your playhead, this little line where it's going to start playing right at the beginning of your audio file, you can just click on this back button or this rewind button, or skip to start what it's actually called, and then you can either press the play button or you can just use spacebar on your keyboard, which is pretty easy, and then it's going to start playing through your voiceover, and then just press space on the keyboard again to stop it. So let's say we want to listen to this part, maybe this section here. You can just click and drag a section if you want to listen to that section, and let's have a listen. I'm going to press space on the keyboard again. The playhead is running across the screen and it's recording my voice. So grab your script and record your voiceover now. Don't worry if you make any mistakes, just pause for a second and reread that sentence. Alright, so let's say we want to remove this section right here. So I'm going to click and drag and highlight this with my mouse, and then simply on your keyboard just press delete. There you can see that section is gone. So now if I play from here, I'm just going to click once here to put the playhead here, and I'm going to press space, and let's have a listen. The playhead is running across the screen and it's recording my voice. Don't worry if you make any mistakes, just pause for a second and reread that sentence. So now you can see that section here in the middle is removed, and let's say we want to remove this little section here at the beginning as well, because if I play this from the beginning, top, and it's going to start recording your voice, as you can. So let's say we want to take that out and just start from right there. So I'm literally just going to click and drag and highlight that section, and then I'm going to press delete on the keyboard, and that's gone. And now if I start playing from the beginning, you'll see that it's going to start from that word, and it's going to start recording your voice. As you can see here, the playhead is running across the screen and it's recording my voice. Alright, so let's say you have edited and removed all the little parts that you don't want in your voiceover and that you're happy with the way the voiceover sounds. We are then ready to save the file as an audio file. Alright, so in Audacity, I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to click on Export, and we want to export this as a WAV file. You can also export it as an MP3 file, but I usually prefer WAV file as it's a bigger file and better quality. So I'm going to click on Export as WAV. It's going to ask you where you want to save your file, so I'm just going to save it on my desktop, and then I'm just going to call it VO Recording 01. And usually if I made some edits to my voiceover, I usually just put an underscore edit. You don't have to, but I just prefer that. Then I know that this voiceover has been edited and it's ready to go to the next step. So now I'm just going to click on save. Yeah, you don't have to fill in anything. These are just the metadata tags. So I'm simply going to click on OK. And that's going to render out my file. And now if I go to my Finder, you will see if I go to the desktop, there we have our voiceover recording 01 underscore edit, and you can see it's a WAV file. So this is basically the file that we're going to use inside of After Effects when we do our explainer video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.